Okay guys, hi, today I am vlogging, obviously, and I'm going to school. This is my uniform. I don't just like wear this for fun. Yeah, also, sorry, the lighting is like really weird right now. But, today is not that bad, I mean, compared to the past month or so. For the past month, I have literally been so stressed. I feel like everything has just been once. I don't know, it's just been like a lot for the past month. Like I feel like I haven't like had a break or stopped, but luckily after today, I think school should be like relatively chill for the next 1 or 2 weeks. And then, you know, the whole stress of exams starts. But yeah, I have like a week or two to chill after today. So that's exciting and looking forward to that. Today, for the most part, isn't that bad. I have a bio lab practical, and if you don't know what that is, basically it's disgusting. So we like dissected this rat, also very disgusting. And for the lab practical, he's going to like stick pins in the rat, and we have to like name like what the pins are in and stuff. And it's really gross, and I've watched so many videos of like rat dissecting for the past like 2 nights that I'm like kind of becoming immune to it, but also it just like, it smells disgusting. So I'm not looking forward to that. And also it's like last period, so I have like the whole day to stress about it, which is like good because I can like study, but also it's like I can't just like get it over with. So yeah, but besides that, like I said, pretty chill day. I have yearbook first period, and I'm gonna probably take some pictures or something and just work on my pages. And then I have a pretty long free period after that, and it's really nice outside. It's gonna be like 90 degrees today, which is like, that's not normal for Maryland this time of year, so that's gonna be really fun. It's super nice outside. So we'll probably like be outside for the free, and then after that there's lunch, so we'll probably sit outside for lunch. And oh my god guys, I love being at school when it's nice outside, because everyone is like so much happier and everyone's like chilling outside. It's just a much better environment when it's nice outside, so that always makes the day a little bit better. Hey, it's future Ella here. Excuse my appearance, I literally look dead right now, but I was editing this vlog and I realized that a lot of the footage where I was explaining what is going on this day is like, it's super shaky because the car dashboard was like shaking and stuff. I don't know what happened, but anyway, so like I said, it was a pretty chill day. Also, a snowball truck was coming to school, so that's pretty exciting. And you probably aren't wondering this now, but if I had to put this clip in here, you'd be confused as to why we were getting snowballs at school, because that's not a thing that like normally happens. This is like a once a year type thing, so yeah, to catch you guys up on that. Okay, let's continue. The lighting is good, like right here. Oh, you're so hi guys, it's me, Ella. Hi guys, it's me, Ella. So right now we're in yearbook and just like working on pages and not working on pages.
I didn't make this up. I'm not taking credit for it. But what did the sushi say to the bee?
To the bee?
God bless you.
What?
Wasabi. I have it now, ready?
So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me in all of those. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!
Hola, mis amigos. Hola. I have to crouch so low. You guys are so
Wait, just hold it from a higher angle. I think that's easy.
Guys, we made it outside.
It's so warm. I love it.
This better be deleted.
So happy. I'm gonna take some photos.
Just because, yeah.
People getting snowballs.
My arm is so long, it's basically like its own selfie stick. This is our friend Natsuko. Right now we're doing a vlog. She's from Japan.
I'm really hungry.
It's super hot outside.
Even real food.
My arm's getting really tired from holding this
You want me to
camera.
hold it? My arm's really short.
Okay. But it's still my vlog.
Oh yeah, it's on his vlog.
This is my friend Natsuko. We're going to Japan. What is wrong? Oh my god, your freckles are out! It's so cute.
It's so nice outside. It makes me so happy.
I know, but it's also like weird because I can't wear like a sweater.
Yeah, I haven't like just worn a school shirt in like a while.
Don't you feel like we're on a talk show? So Ella, what do you think about sweaters?
Sweaters, they're really nice and we don't all look the same.
Yeah.
But now we all look the same because like everyone's wearing like their
we look the same, exactly the same.
We're vlogging. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I just got my snowball like 2 hours later. Yeah, that was, I've been running around campus all day trying to get like this one photo, and now it's so hot. So yeah, this is really good. Yeah, it's a free period right now for me, so I should probably do homework, but I'm not. Wait, do you guys have like the lab practical?
Oh no.
I have mine today.
Oh no.
So I should study for that.
It's awful.
It's disgusting. It's not fun. Okay guys, now we are at lunch taking a little break from the sun. We're just sitting in the shade. This is the food today. It's really bad. We got, I don't even know what that is.
Ella has a method of getting random things and putting them on a plate.
Yeah, like it's not a sandwich, it's just like meat, bread. It's not.
No, it's wait. You have vegetables, you have fruit,
Fruit.
and what's that, green?
Okay guys, so I am now leaving school, but oh my god, I got my lab practical back and I got a 96. So I think I might actually get like the grade I need in the class. I mean, it's only worth 50 points, and of course the tests I did bad on were worth like over 100 points, but it's fine. I still have one more test and then the exams, so hopefully if I do well on those and get my grade back up. I feel like you guys probably don't even care about this. Oh my god, wow, that was like the most stressful week ever. So finally back from school. I have a little bit of homework, but honestly it's like not that bad. I think I might actually have time for like the first time in a month to like kind of chill at night and like not to just study for like 5 hours. So that's a good feeling. I mean, I should probably like do something productive like work out or like answer emails, but I'm probably just gonna watch some TV and chill. Also guys, right now I'm watching The Handmaid's Tale. It is so good. 10 out of 10 would recommend if you need a show to watch. Guys, I have to pee, and well, A, I don't want to get up, but B, I don't want to move Peanut off of me because she's sleeping. The struggle of having a dog. So it is now around like 10 o'clock. Wow, okay, I suck at vlogging. That was like a 5-hour time jump and I just didn't even explain that. Like, what? I am finished all my homework and stuff. It really wasn't that much, and yeah, I'm finally like feeling not stressed for once, and it's kind of weird. Like, I could go to bed right now and it's still like really early for once, and that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go to bed early tonight, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to go ahead and do that. I also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me on all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!